How to manage stress. People experience stress when they are unable to cope with issues connected to finances, employment, relationships, the environment, and other circumstances. In addition, stress is experienced when an individual feels a real or imagined threat to their well-being. People frequently use the term stress interchangeably with the terms anxiety, feeling anxious, afraid, uneasy, overwhelmed, panicked, or stressed out. What you can do to combat stress: be active. Exercise will not eliminate your stress, but it can alleviate some of the emotional intensity you are experiencing, allowing you to think more clearly and approach your problems with greater composure. Take charge. If you believe that you have no control over the situation, your stress levels may increase. This feeling of powerlessness is one of the primary causes of stress and poor health. The act of taking charge is empowering in and of itself, and it is essential to finding a solution that satisfies you and no one else. Connect with others. A strong network of co-workers, friends, and family can alleviate your professional difficulties and help you see things in a new light. The activities we engage in with our friends can help us de-stress and relax. Additionally, conversing with a friend may help you find solutions to your issues. Have some me time. Many of us work long hours, which means we frequently do not devote enough time to activities we truly enjoy. It is essential to make time for socialization, relaxation, and exercise. You could try setting aside a few nights per week for me time away from the office. You must test yourself. Whether at work or outdoors, setting yourself goals and challenges, such as learning a new language or a new activity, can help increase confidence. This may assist you in coping with stress. It might also motivate you to act and be active. Avoid bad behavior. Do not rely on alcohol, nicotine, or caffeine as coping mechanisms. These crutches may provide temporary respite, but they will not address your problems permanently. They will simply generate new ones. Help those in need. There is evidence that individuals who engage in activities such as volunteering or community service tend to grow more resilient. If you lack the time to volunteer, attempt to perform a favor for someone every day. It might be as simple as helping someone cross